Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson number 3, that is playing with numbers. Okay. So in the previous lecture, we studied about the prime factorization. Yes, we studied about the prime factorization. But in that, we studied about the particularly tree method. है ना? हमने क्या पढ़े थे? Tree method पढ़े थे. But there is a division method also, which you know. But I will tell you again what is the division method. Okay, so in the previous class which number we are taking? We are taking the 64. Okay, so I am solving 64 by the tree method as well as by the division method, both. Okay, so your number is 60. Okay, so tree method, this is your composite number, so you will write it in a square box. After that you will write it as 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 and you will written it in a square box. You will written it in a square box. Okay. So after that you will write 8 as 2 into 4 because 2 4s are 8. So 2 into 4. Here 2 is a prime number, so I will write it in a circle, and 4 is a composite number, so I will write it in a square box. Okay. After that, same for the 8 again. 2 4. Okay. After that, 2 is a prime number, so no need to do anything with this. So we are factorizing 4, that is 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Okay. So this is your 2 is a prime number. Same with this. So 2 into 2 and you will written it in a circle. Okay, so this is the tree method factorization. Okay, by this we can write 64 is equals to 2 कितने हैं गिन लो सर्कल्स में 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is okay, this is called the tree method. We call it as a tree method. Okay, now I am telling you the division method. I am telling you now the division method. Okay, so draw a single straight line. Okay, and write the given number, that is your 64 on the right side. Okay, so this is your 64. Okay, but in the division method it is compulsory to divide the given number with the prime number. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं कि आपको डिवीजन मेथड में ये कंपल्शन होता है कि आप दिए गए नंबर को सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर से ही डिवाइड कर सकते हो. ट्री मेथड में हम कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं. 8 8 जा 64, बट हम यहाँ पे 8 8 जा 64 नहीं ले सकते. हमें यहाँ पे हमेशा प्राइम नंबर यूज करना होता है. ठीक है, तो हम एक एक प्राइम नंबर्स के लिए चेक करेंगे. 64 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. Is 64 is divisible by 2? Yes, 64 is divisible by 2 because at last there is a number 4 and the divisibility by 2 is, if at the ones place there is a digit 4, then it is divisible by 2. Okay? So if we divide it by 2, here what will be your quotient? अगर आप 64 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपका quotient कितना आएगा? 32. So you have to write the quotient here. You have to write the quotient here. ठीक है, जब आप 64 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे आपका आंसर आएगा 32. Make sure when you are dividing your given number, it must be exactly divisible. It must be exactly divisible. वो exactly divisible होना चाहिए. ठीक है. After that again there at the ones place there is 2. That means it is again divisible by 2. So we will write it as 2. And अगर आप 32 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे which number comes? It is 16. ठीक है, क्या कर रहे हैं हम? जो गिवन नंबर था उसे प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सबसे फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर 2, तो हमने 64 को डिवाइड किए 2 से, हमारा क्वोशिएंट आया 32. So I will written it below the 64. After that again check your नेक्स्ट नंबर विद दैट प्राइम नंबर. आप वो 32 को फिर से चेक करोगे कहीं वो 32 से 2 से डिवाइड तो नहीं हो रहा है. सो डिवाइड दिस 32 बाय 2. योर आंसर इज 60. ओके, नाउ अगेन चेक इज 16 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. यस, 16 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो वी विल राइट हियर 2 and here 8. Again we will check it 4s are 8 and 2s are 4, and then again 2 is in the table of 1. So you have to do the division method until in the right column there is a 1. आप इस प्रोसेस को तब तक करोगे जब तक के राइट कॉलम में 1 नहीं आता है, ठीक है. सो बाय दिस वी कैन राइट एज 64 इज इक्वल्स टू, आपको लेफ्ट वाले कॉलम में जितने भी नंबर है वो लिखने हैं, एंड दैट इज 2 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 6 टाइम्स. That means if we are applying the tree method or the division method, in both the cases your answer for the prime factorization is C. Okay, so if in the given question it is given that you have to apply the tree method, so apply the tree method. Otherwise अगर आपको question में दिया है कि you have to factorize by using the tree method, then you can use the tree method. But if it is not given that you have to use a tree method or a division method, you can apply any one of them. आप दोनों में से कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, ठीक है. जब आपको बोला जाएगा कि आपको यही अप्लाई करनी है तो ही आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग अप्लाई करोगे, अदरवाइज आप कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ मैंने आपको प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बोला था, मैंने आपको बोला था कि यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3E. आई होप यू ऑल कंप्लीटेड विद द ट्री मेथड. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिवीजन मेथड. ओके, आई एम सॉल्विंग सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू लाइक एक्सरसाइज 3E. एक्सरसाइज question number 1, first question. What is your first question? Your first question is 24. Okay, so your first question is 24. What is written in the question? Write the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. आपको बोला है कि आपको prime factorization लिखना है. That means you can use either the division method or the tree method according to your convenience. Okay, so I am solving 24 by both the methods. Okay, you have to write only one. Okay, so 10 by 3 method, by 3 method. Okay, so by the tree method 24 can be written as 6 into 4. 24 can be written as 6 into 4. So 6 is a composite number and 4 is also a composite number. Okay, so I will write both in a square box. After that 6 is equals to 2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, so both are the prime numbers, so I will written it in a circle. Okay, so here also 2 and 2 both are prime, so I will written it in a circle. Okay, now all the last terms are prime numbers, so we can write 24 is equals to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. Okay, now by the division method, by division method. Okay, so by the division method you can write it as 24. So is 24 is divisible by 2? For this you must know the divisibility by 2. क्या 24 2 से डिविजिबल है? क्या होती है 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी कि वंस प्लेस पे देयर मस्ट बी द डिजिट्स 0 2 4 6 or 8. If at the ones place the digits are 0 2 4 6 or 8, that means the given number is divisible by 2, and here at the ones place there is a digit 4, so it is divisible by 2, so we can write it as 2, and 2 से अगर डिवाइड करोगे तो आपका आंसर रहेगा 12. So here 12. Okay, so now 12 2 के टेबल में आता है, so 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are ओके ना 3 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, 3 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, बट 3 के टेबल में आता है. सो वी कैन राइट 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. राइट वाले कॉलम में 1 आ गया है. इट मीन्स योर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इज कंप्लीटेड हियर. सो वी कैन राइट 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into. आप देखोगे दोनों में भी सेम है. 3 2s are there and 1 3s are. Okay, so you have to do it like this. Okay, आपको इस तरीके से करना. I am solving one more question. I am solving question number 12. I am solving question number 12 here. Okay, so what is question number 12? Question number 12 is 2200. Okay, 2200. Okay, so by 3 method, by 3 method. Okay, we can write 2200 as. हम 2200 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2200 को 100 into 22. 100 into 22. Both are composite numbers, so we will written it in a square box. Okay, so make it a square box, not a rectangle. After 100 can be written as 50 2s are 100. This is your prime number and this is your composite number. Okay, now 22 can be written as 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. Both are prime numbers, so I will written it in a circle. So here the last step. ये इसका लास्ट स्टेप है बिकॉज दोनों भी जो नंबर्स है वो सर्कल्स में आ गए, तो इसके आगे इसका फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं होगा, बट हियर इट विल कंटिन्यू. ओके, सो 10 5s are 50. 10 is a composite number and 5 is a prime number. Again 10 can be written as 2 5s are 2 5s are, and both are the prime numbers, so I will written it in a circle. Okay, now from here we can write it as 2200 is equals to 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 11 into 2. Okay, so this is your prime factorization for 2200 by the tree method. Now I am solving it by the division method. So write it here 2200. Okay, so write it here 2200. Okay, so first prime number is 2, so divided it by 2. So when you divided it by 2, your answer is 1100. Okay, after that again divided it by 2, your answer is 550. Again divided it by 2, your answer is 275. Your answer is 275. Now at the unit place there is a digit 5, that means it is not divisible by 2. Okay, so check is this number is divisible by 3. 3 की divisibility क्या होती है? डिजिट का सम 3 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. तो 2 and 7 is 9, 9 and 5 is 14, and 14 is not the multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3 also. Last digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 4, so it is divisible by 5. So I will write it here 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25, so it is divisible by 55. Again write it is divisible by 5. So here the number 11. Okay, after that 11 is a prime number, so it will come in a table of 11 itself. हमने यहाँ 11 क्यों लिए? यहाँ पे 11 क्यों लिए लेफ्ट बॉक्स में? बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो 11 आया है वो एक प्राइम नंबर है, और प्राइम नंबर सिर्फ अपने ही टेबल में आते हैं. So I will write 11 in the left box and the 1 in the right column. Okay, so by this method 2200 can be written as 2 3 times, 5 2 times, and 11 1 times. Check it here. 2 3 times, 1 5 2 times and 11 one time. So by using the tree method or by using the division method, you can factorize any number. Okay, this is your choice to use a tree method or a division method until and unless there is mention in the question that which method you have to use. That means आपको questions ट्री मेथड या डिवीजन मेथड दोनों भी आप यूज कर सकते हो अपने क्वेश्चंस में, बट अगर क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि आपको पर्टिकुलरली यही मेथड यूज करना है तो आप दूसरी कोई भी मेथड यूज नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। अदरवाइज आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक ही यूज करोगे, ठीक है। सो इन दिस वे सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, आई विल टेल यू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3 in the next lecture. Okay, so till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.